So like here in the smaller detailed areas, we're gonna just slowly work the red rocket into the surface. And this will reveal a factory fresh shine. Shut up, Jeff. And this, yes, I did. And this will reveal a factory fresh shine. So if you guys want to check out these products, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com, because you know you want your whims to work the West. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. It's kind of gloomy out today, so we decided to take advantage of this cooler weather and detail this white Nissan 370Z. Now, before we start any detail, we're going to move on to the dirtiest area, which is always the wheels. And as you can see, this car has tons of brake dust and road grime. That's because the owner likes to track this car, and it attracts a lot of brake dust. Heavy braking tends to burn off a lot of the brake material, and it's collected all over the wheel. So we're going to start by rinsing it down, and this is going to help, one, loosen up the heavier brake dust, and it's also going to help lubricate the surface so we're not scratching as we're detailing. But we're also going to be introducing two of our brand new brushes, our Red Rocket brushes. Now these are a nice soft nylon bristle brush that are going to help, one, take care of any of the brake dust that are hard to reach in the back of the barrel, also in the small spokes, and it's also going to give your wheel a professional look. So let's get started with further ado by rinsing down the wheel, and then we'll work our way from top to bottom using our Diablo wheel gel as an assistant to add lubrication and also some cleaning power. So as you see, water alone is not enough to remove the brake dust on the surface, but that's why we have our brushes here and some Diablo wheel gel to get these rims looking their best. So what we'll do is we'll take the Diablo and add about an ounce or two to our wash bucket, which I've already added a dirt trap to. This is to reduce the chances of any of the abrasive particles of brake dust or road grime returning to the surface and also scratching. Now we'll use our hose to activate the suds. And these suds act as lubrication, which adds shine, but more importantly, this is going to reduce the chances of those abrasive particles scratching the surface. To begin, we'll get our big Red Rocket brush and attract some of that foam onto the surface. And then working at the highest point, we'll go around the rim, knocking down the embedded particles of brake dust so that they, one, don't start pitting, and also they don't ruin the finish. We'll gently start scrubbing back and forth. And the long design of the brush goes all the way to the back of the barrel, between the rotor and the wheel. This way, as you look through the rim, you're going to see perfectly clean and detailed finish. So as you can see, the long design of the Red Rocket easily and effortlessly goes between the caliper and the wheel. This way we're not leaving any dirt or road grime behind. And we'll give that factory finish and also restore some of that shine. But again, more importantly, while we're detailing the wheel, this is removing the abrasive and corrosive particles of brake material. This way, again, they don't pit the surface, and they're also not going to deteriorate the finish of any clear coat or any painted surfaces. So now this rim is starting to look really good. This brush has done a tremendous job of taking care of the loose and also the larger areas, but there's still intricate areas and the smaller spokes that we want to attend to. So we've also got our smaller Red Rocket. This is the little Red Rocket, which is great for small areas like the spokes here and also the corners and the crevices to reveal a fresh shine and get as much of that debris off so we have a perfectly clean wheel. And now you can also use this brush to get behind the spokes. This way you have not only a clean wheel looking from the face, but also from the back. Works nicely to get the intricate areas around the caliper. Also use it to clean that up, especially if you have painted calipers or aftermarket calipers, to give it the best overall finish. And there you have it, guys. Just by using 2 brushes, this rim looks factory fresh. Now we can still do the wheel and the tire, obviously, to make this car look its best, but today we're just gonna focus on the rims. And you can see that the Red Rocket has done a tremendous job of removing the abrasive particles of brake dust. We're gonna rinse it down, but in the meantime, you guys can head over to our website, get these brushes for yourself, because you know you want your wheels to look their best. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.